Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at why now could be a great buying opportunity for Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at their latest partnerships as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. And I want to know down below, what are your price predictions for Chainlink at the end of 2020? With that, let's jump straight into the video. So we'll start off with taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, over the past 48 hours, the market has taken a pretty big hit. So this bear phase does not look like it is over just yet. But as you guys know what I say, these are some very good buying opportunities. Bitcoin at $10,485, Ethereum at $341, XRP at 23 cents, Polkadot at $4.11, and Chainlink at $8.85. So overall, there are some very good buying opportunities purely because we missed out on quite a lot of these prices months before. But today we are going to be talking about Chainlink. If we take a look at Chainlink's price on the 7-day, it's currently down 23%, and if I show you its chart on the 30-day, it's currently down 41%. But if I show you its chart on the 12-month, it is still up a substantial amount. So we do not see these prices very often, or these sort of dips very often, and hopefully in today's video I will be giving you some reassurance and hopefully pointing out why they can be very good buying opportunities when the market does have corrections like this. Now I just want to show you this chart quickly to hopefully give you some reassurance. There are a lot of you out there that would have seen this before, but there are even more out there that have not seen this chart. This is the 2017 bull run. During that period there was over 8 corrections. There was a 41%, 229% corrections, 234% corrections, a 38% correction, a 41% and a 28% correction. So as you can see, historically the bigger corrections are the best time to buy. As you can see here, 41% correction, you would be up a substantial amount of money if you kept that long term. Again with this one, if we go a bit higher up, 38%, if you bought at the bottom here, again you would still be up a very good amount. And if we take a look at this other big hit, up 41%, again the bounce back of that was absolutely incredible. So what we have to realize is, during these big corrections, yes, it is an emotional roller coaster, it does hurt a lot. But if you look at it in a positive way, as to here is a better buying opportunity that I missed out on a few months ago, then it will hopefully take the negativity out of your head and you'll be able to then accumulate more. Now I just want to show you this article before we take a look at Chainlink's partnerships this week, and it says Analysts predicts Chainlink to recover previous losses following Bitcoin. Top traders and analysts believe Chainlink will bounce back from the bearish zone and follow a bullish momentum. Chainlink has been the best performer for almost 6 months until September 2020. The coin has been trading below expectations in September, but analysts are optimistic about its surge soon. Amidst the largest acquisition in Chainlink's history, its price went to an all-time high of $19.70. As per the analysts, the star performer is all set for a new bull run. Chainlink will be a profitable investment to buy now. The coin shows promising signs of growth and it's the best investment opportunity to buy Chainlink. Moreover, its previous record hints an immense growth potential. For instance, the coin started rising when all major cryptocurrencies were underperforming. Link managed to become the 4th cryptocurrency on board by market capitalization. Link is at its lowest ever since it touched an all-time high of $19.85, and it has been failing to reclaim that mark. At the start of September, Chainlink's price went up twice with the bulls intact. Another factor that has been responsible for Link's massive growth is the rise in decentralized finance. The abrupt growth of the DeFi sector came out as a surprise and has since been driving the force of major altcoins. Top traders and analysts claim that Link/USD will recover previous losses and surpass the $15 mark. However, the technical chart does not support their statements, as there is only a chance of plunging once Bitcoin gets out of the bearish wind. Following Bitcoin, major altcoins are stuck in a downtrend, and such a downfall will be profitable investment to buy top digital assets at low. After the demand for digital assets stimulates, the recovery will be rapid, and for Chainlink, analysts are bullish on Link touching its highest lengths. And if we take a look at Chainlink on the chart, it has had an unbelievable 12 months, so I personally think this is just a small bump in the road. It is a small correction, and I think these are very good buying opportunities. I know personally I am going to be buying during these times, and if it continues to go down further, I will be buying more. I want to know your thoughts down below. Are you going to be continuing to buy Chainlink at the lower dips? We're now going to be taking a look at Chainlink's latest partnerships this week, and this is the first one. Orchard as new secret shopper oracle for greater transparency. Picking Chainlink over its competitors was an easy decision for Waterhouse. Decentralized VPN OXT is adding a Chainlink oracle that, like a secret shopper, samples bandwidth pricing from all providers in the network. OXT co-founder Stephen Waterhouse explained the importance of this feature, stating the basic idea in decentralized services like Orchard, where we have a decentralized VPN, there's no way of really knowing exactly how much a provider might charge. A provider might say they're charging a certain amount, we don't really know until you try it. So he wrote some code that in decentralized fashion shops for bandwidth on the network. He said that in the future this may lead to new features being added, such as the ability to track the uptime of bandwidth providers. Waterhouse also said that choosing Chainlink over other Oracle providers was easy. His relationship with the project's co-founder Sergey Nazarov goes back to 2014. Now this is another big partnership in my opinion, purely because how many partnerships Chainlink have been getting over the past few months. It does look like Chainlink are the number one cryptocurrency that everyone wants to be working with at the moment, which in my opinion does say something. It does look like they have a lot of support behind them and they have a lot of backing, which in my opinion is a very good thing to see. This is the next partnership that I want to show you, and it says launching the DeFi stack on Matic network with Chainlink. And it says down here, Matic plus Chainlink equals supercharged DeFi. Matic's high performance, low fee infrastructure provides a perfect platform for DeFi applications to be able to facilitate large scale adoption. Since the recent launch of our mainnet, we have been gaining huge traction from DeFi innovators looking to build scalable DeFi products on Matic. Since the launch of their mainnet, Chainlink has been the backbone of the DeFi industry, with their widely used price reference data collectively securing over $3 billion in USD value for many leading applications like Aave, Symphonix and Bancor. By making Chainlink available on Matic mainnet, our developers now have access to any API, secure node operators, decentralized architecture, proven solutions. Here's another partnership for you. It says Chainlink to power TrustSwap, SmartLock and Smart Escrow products. After its initial token launch in June, TrustSwap, a smart contracts payments platform, announced in a blog that Chainlink's price reference data, its decentralized Oracle network, has been integrated with TrustSwap, SmartLock and Smart Escrow products in order to determine fees associated with token locking services. Now to me this is another big one, purely because of how many partnerships Chainlink are getting. They are simply doing big things during this whole bad time. If they can simply keep their foot in the door during this whole crisis, then they will simply be one of the biggest cryptocurrencies out there when this crypto market bounces back. And this is the last partnership that I want to talk about in today's video, and it's Baseline, how the Baseline protocol integrates Chainlink oracles. And it says down here, Chainlink provides validated external data for baselined workflows. The Baseline protocol is a technique for synchronizing multiple independent databases and enterprise backend systems like ERP/CRM systems, which would be involved in a shared business process using the Ethereum mainnet as an always-on, immutable common frame reference. Chainlink provides a decentralized method of retrieving and validating external data, both guaranteeing its accuracy and delivering it on-chain or in back-end systems. So overall, some very nice partnerships added to Chainlink's list of partnerships. They have been doing absolute bits over the past 12 months, and I generally think this is just a very small bump in the road, considering the past 12 months it has had has been absolutely incredible, and I think the next 12 months are going to be even better. I think 2021 will be one of the biggest times in cryptocurrency history. I think there is going to be a lot of money brought in 2021, and you're already seeing that on a small scale, purely because of some of the biggest businesses and companies in the world are piling their money into cryptocurrency. This is the last part of the video where we are going to be giving you a couple tips on when to buy and when to sell cryptocurrency. This is the first one: use the buy low sell high strategy. Otherwise phrased as buy the dips, this basic investment technique refers to purchasing more assets as the price falls or once it settles. There is also another one called dollar cost averaging. It also says down here when its rates lower than the average historic performance, and it also says sell when there's a sudden peak, which I personally would not recommend unless you are in it for a short term. If you are in this market for the long term, I'd personally recommend just buying when there is a big dip, because that means you'll get the most profit out of it when the long term happens. When not to buy or when to sell: when you have a case of FOMO, fear of missing out, when you don't understand the technology, and when you're vulnerable to FUD, fear, uncertainty and doubt. Now personally, my advice would be, when the market is like it is now, you should only ever look to buy. You should never look to sell your cryptocurrencies, therefore you will be accepting the loss. I personally would only recommend looking to accumulate, purely because you will be getting more for your money at a cheaper price. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is everything I've got for you today. If you've enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. And I want to know your thoughts down below about today's video. I've been Crypto Nobes, thank you for watching, hopefully I'll see you in my next video, peace.